Hello, good evening. This is Shak for the Equity Check. Uh, Looking at Sampath Bank, and of course, we'll hopefully time permits. We could look out as well for a few other shares as well. Just sharing my technical view on some of these shares. Um, Here, what we are seeing here is a target, an ascending triangle for a target of around 40 rupees from the breakout. Unfortunately, what we see here is the price pulling back again to the supports here. Uh, the resistance here has been broken, and price was not able to the support was not enough here, so started sliding down. uh, the conventional indicators, what we have, MACD and RSI, they're getting a bit of cooled off with this current scenario. uh, Good opportunity to get in around 256 as well, for a target closer to 300, 315. There is a talk a bit maybe going around, maybe they're going into some kind of rights issue, so it could have stall the up trend. I'm not sure, so there could be something to that effect. So that's only a, what do you call, uh, rumor probably. From a technical point of view, we could see some kind of adjustment taking place here. Um, Right, so that's about Sampath Bank here. I would like to look at another bank in this series here. Let us look at NDB. NDB has taken a hit as well. Now I have no idea what the chart pattern this all about. I was expecting the price to break 300 along with Sampath. Well, it's taken a big hit here, but that's nevertheless it's giving us an opportunity to buy, a cautious buying opportunity here around 240. There's always an opportunity around 220, 225 as well. So there's another opportunity failing here that we could get in. So it's recommended that you buy half a lot of your full quantity and then expect another opportunity around 220. Resistance, of course, would be around here, coming around 250, 260. We have no idea why the price has fallen off from a high of around 280, 260 earlier. That's about NDB. Looking at HNB, one of the solid banks shares. Let's see how it has fared. Well, not that much. It seems to be holding pretty well at the moment. If we look at here, let us see here the chances where the resistance line is coming. So we have the resistance coming around 230 with the price. I'm expecting even to this price to we can check the Fibonacci tool here for measuring the opportunity here. Sorry, we could go in for some kind of an opportunity here. Okay, so this is the XA leg here, and it has already moved around 38.2 here. So what we are going to see here is another opportunity around here, which is we are seeing is the 50%. Now that's excellent, and what would be more ideal is for the price to come slightly below around 213, uh, but at the moment it has come for a 50% correction here, but great if we can pick around 210, 212, 50. So 212.50 or a 200 would be an ideal price as well, with a support of around about 200. So this is another share that one should look into. There will be great opportunity towards at least 240 initially, and then there onwards we are looking around another 40 rupee target, minimum 275, based on the pattern that this is expected to form. So we have good opportunity to get in. Hopefully, if this bearish sentiment, what we are seeing right now, which is temporary in my opinion, stays the same, so we might see some selling coming in, and probably 210 to 12 should be a good opportunity to buy. Another banking share that I'm looking at, or I'm thinking of, is NDB. So NDB seems to be having a great support around 95. Never had the opportunity to look greatly, but what we are seeing here is another opportunity to get in around 95, but I'm not sure whether this might hold up. But you can get into a technical buy opportunity around 95 with another opportunity even here around the 90s. So initial buy would initiate around 95 if the opportunity is there. I think the share looks a bit weaker the way it is. Was not able to break 110. So there's great opportunity that this might form here. So should we get in around 90, even the current price should be good enough if one is expecting something, but 95 would be a great opportunity for a target minimum 115, and there onwards we could see a 125 target later on. That's about NTB. So I'm trying to summarize a few more banking shares so that we can decide to go with which counter. Ceylon Bank is also taken a hit, but seems to be very strong. But we are seeing this candle here. The support around 100, that was excellent. It was a bit difficult to get in, so I think lots of people would have got in here. So they're jumping in to get the opportunity. So we are seeing kind of a double bottom around here. Hopefully, if things do change, we could target minimum 120 from current 103, 105 levels. That was a good opportunity to get in around 100, and looking at for some kind of some kind of divergence here. This is great. You see here the price from here, and the price reached here. So it's some minority shareholders, a few of maybe small investors are selling in fear. This looks great if you can get in around 100. 100 is a psychological factor. Most of the shares like in NTB or Nation Trust, Ceylon Bank, they are hanging around this 100 levels. So that's a psychological support as well. People will not want to sell below 100. um, and what we're seeing here is, a great opportunity for Ceylon Bank, those who are getting in around 100. So if you get the opportunity, if you have the sufficient funds, just try to get in around 100. That should give you some chance of making money towards 120. So that would be around a 20% capital gain on that. So that's a wrap on the bankings. I think I have covered most of the banks. We started off with Sampat, then NDB, NTB, HNB, and Ceylon Bank. So maybe we could look for a few more banks or financial, non-banking financial companies or institutions in my next video. So until then, this is Shark signing off.